Hi guys, welcome to Andrew of Andrew Colden TV, and welcome to part 2 on how to install FreeMC boot to your PS2 memory card. If you guys are at this part, it really just means you guys have already completed the 007 Agent Under Fire hack exploit. Now for this tutorial, what you're going to be needing is your PS2 memory card, your PS2, a USB flash drive, and the files under my download description down below, also known as PS2 tools with a z.zip. You're going to want to extract that and to copy that to your desktop computer. Grab your flash drive and plug it in, and let's transfer those following files that you just copied onto your desktop onto the root of this drive, to then eject and launch it onto your PS2 USB port. Now that you guys have your USB drive inserted into your PS2, let's locate that following file known as freemcbootinstall.elf. You can do that using the simple menu of ulaunch.elf, using the circle button to select what you want. You can also use the X button to help you scroll down. Once you have located it, go ahead and run the application, and then you will be brought to the FreeMC boot install screen. You want to go ahead and format the card first. Once it has completed formatting, go ahead and install it using the normal install. You can do the other install, but I actually recommend normal. But before doing any of this, let's select the memory card that we want to use first. Now that I've selected it, let's go ahead and insert it and do the following process. Now during the installation, you will notice that your USB flash drive that is currently plugged into your PS2 will be on and off lighting up. This just shows that there is data activity going on and that this is completely normal. And just a few minutes later, you have successfully installed FreeMC boot. Now just do a hard reset by turning off the PS2 completely and unplugging the PS2 memory card and doing a reinsert. Let's just verify that the actual card works. So far it does work, and now I'm going to show you guys just a cool little method just to ensure you that this is real and not fake. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be removing the memory card and just turning on the PS2, and you will notice that you will come across a stock menu of what you originally had before. Well, let's insert that memory card and let's just see the magic happens. There you have it. Now, go ahead and thank me, and go ahead and thank these guys in the back for making my room all dusty for you guys. So, go ahead and subscribe to Andrew Colden TV.